How to set a TikTok sound as an alarm. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. To save a reel from here, tap on the share icon on the right side as shown. Here, you can view all the sharing options as well as other options below. Then tap on Save Video. You have now saved this video to your camera roll. Now go back to your main menu and open up the Ringtone Maker application. Here, go to the top and tap on the plus icon. Then tap on Video Library to extract audio. Select the video you just saved from here and tap on Done at the bottom. The video will now appear here as shown. Tap on the arrow beside the video. Then select Make Ringtone. Here, manage the settings such as the time range and then tap on Set Ringtone at the bottom. Here, swipe left and tap on More. Now scroll down and select GarageBand. Wait for the GarageBand application to open. You will find the downloaded audio here. Tap and hold the audio and then tap on Share. Now select Ringtone. Here, give your ringtone a name and then tap on Export at the top right corner. Your ringtone export is successful. Now tap on OK. After that, go back and open the Clock app. Then go to Alarms. Now go to Sound as shown. Here, you can select a ringtone to set it as your alarm ringtone. Select the ringtone you just saved to set it as your alarm. Following these steps, you can easily set a TikTok sound as an alarm.